getting to be about that time of year. I worked on a new project today, one that's super simple. I'm going to show you how I did it. Quick, easy Halloween fence using a pallet and a couple pieces of trim I had in the garage, and just will go in the front yard.
In this town we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song. In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise.
Round that corner, man, hiding in the trash can. Something's waiting now to pounce, and how you'll scream. This is Halloween, red and black and slimy green. Aren't you scared?
Well, that's just fine. Say it once, say it twice. Take a chance or roll the dice. Light of the moon in the dead of night.
Everybody scream! Everybody scream!
In our town of Halloween.
So here they are. I built 2 of them. They're about 8 foot each. And all they are is a couple pieces of trim that I had in the house, a pallet that my neighbor gave me, some black, and this pretty metallic-y spray paint. And there you go. Super simple, easy. Say that slat fence for me probably took about 2 hours. I had to run to Ace and get some more spray paint. It's really hot out here, Florida. Come on, can we get some fall already? But 2 hours and mostly free. Cost of another can of spray paint because I had everything here at the house. So, all right. That's how you make a super simple, easy slat fence.